Let's see if this heap of junk turns. Ooh, maybe it is seized. Oh, that's undoing the crank pulley bolt. Let's go fishing for metal. None. Alright, so the engine's seized. Oil's fucked. We're gonna part it out. These gearboxes go for a little bit of money on eBay. Let's fucking rip the engine out. Maybe we'll check out what's fucked with it. Sell that. These wheels are pretty cool. Might keep those. Car goes in the bin. Alright, I just took the brake caliper off. And these were the brakes that were in it. I literally just took it out and it fell in half. Oh, there's no caliper, there's no pad left. Okay. Bro. Alright, so we're getting there. Just unhook the gearbox stuff. Fuck that off. Bring it up. Go. And then we're just going to drop it out the bottom. That'll be easiest. It appears that it is in fact time to fuck around and find out. Let's find out. That went smoother than I thought it would. Now I'm usually against this, cutting wiring, but that goes in there and the wiring in this car's fucked and it's getting scrapped. So we're just gonna cut it. Cutting it is the only answer. How do we cut it? That did the trick. Fuck it, we're just gonna drop it down like this for the moment. What do we have here? Big piece of trash. That's what we've got here. Look at that. 3S GE. Now, this is the best outcome for this poor old Celica. It's pretty shit. So, we had it coming. Yep, it was looked after really well. A nice, well looked after engine. PC's alright. Solid as a rock. Yep. Got a truckload of parts. Got some aluminium to fuck off. Engine metal. That crap will just go on the boot. Cool pop-up headlights. Stolen. Few little things I want. Head unit. Shift knob. Give nuts. Stuff like that. Steering wheel. Well, there it is. Just fucking locked and loaded, ready for the scrapyard. Doomsday for Shitbox.